Hi, my name is Rikke Godthjælp. I'm an auriculotherapist, posturologist, chromotherapist and acupuncturist. I work from Godthjælp Mojonder International Institute, and today I'm here to show you tips and tricks on the ASP needles. When I put an ASP needle in, I don't put my finger right behind. I will hold around and put the needle in. If I want to put a needle in an area that is has an edge like this, I will put my fingers on the sides so I'm sure that the needles don't slide, and I will push it in. If I want to put a needle on the side of the ear here, I will put my finger on the side so it doesn't slide. If I want to put a needle on the side of the ear, I will put my fingers on the side. I will place the needle and I will put my fingers on the side so it doesn't slide. When I take out an ASP needle from an ear, I use a tweezer, and I would like to have one. I always like to have one that is wide. So when I pull out a tweezer, I don't just pull straight, I always pull to a side. So I will put like that, or I will put like the other way, always to the side. So I don't pull straight out because it hurts the most.
For more information, please visit www.sedatelec.com.